True story. I grew up in a very winter-based area up in upstate New York, and I'm actually friends with quite a few Yetis. Nice people, you know. But if you think about anything you've heard about Yetis in the past, they're frequently known as being very big, very strong, very fast, very agile. Well, it's because they get their exercise, right? So in this case, a Yeti is getting some early morning exercise. He runs down the snow-covered mountain where he lives at a rate of 10 miles per hour. Then he runs back up the mountain along the same route to his abominable home at a rate of 5 miles per hour. When he's running down the hill, he's got gravity working for him. When he's running back up the hill, he's got gravity working against him. And he's probably also a little bit tired from running in the snow for a while, right? So the question here is, which of the following is closest to the Yeti's average rate of speed in miles per hour for the entire trip? Well, first, let's start with what is the equation for average speed. So average speed is defined as the total distance traveled divided by the total amount of time that it took to travel that distance, okay? Well, what's a little challenging here, not just running in the snow, but it's that we don't know what the distance is, right? So this is a great example of a problem where let's go ahead and pick a number. And the reason I'm going to pick a number of 10 miles for the trip is that it's evenly divisible by both 10 and 5, right? So when I say that his rate is 10 miles an hour times time, because that's the formula for distance, right? Distance equals rate times time. Well, in that case, then my time would be 1 hour. Well, not my time, the Yeti's time. It would take me much longer trying to run 10 miles, 10 miles in the snow. Then on our way back up the mountain, oops, sorry, wrote that wrong. Back up the mountain, he's going 5 miles an hour. So in that example, it's going to take 2 hours to run back up the hill. Again, he's working against gravity, right? So to calculate the average speed here, we're doing total distance over total time. So it was 10 miles down the hill, 10 miles back up the hill. That's a total of 20 miles. It was 1 mile going down, 2 miles going back up. That's 3. So that's going to be approximately 6.7 miles per hour. The average speed for the round trip will be answer choice B. And hopefully he's got his good morning workout and now he can go home and take a nice abominable nap.